Hello, my name is Matt with Scott Restorations. I'm here on Mr. Scott's house. I'm here to do a repairability attempt. I am going to replace the shingle, show you guys the condition. I think we got about 10 or 11. We do a lot of repairs, but when it gets to a certain point, you know, it does get, you know, hinky trying to fix them. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started. This should already be unsealed because it's wind. I'm gonna go ahead, get this done, that done, and then I have to, you know, loosen these and these. Okay. Okay. Got that one being real gentle. Okay. Okay. All right. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started. Start loosening them up with them shingles. Please bear with me. It is hot. Alrighty, let's go ahead and get these nails loose. Alrighty, so I'm gonna go ahead. My goal, not bend it over a certain amount of degrees. 45. I actually do sometimes less than that. Okay, we are one nail, and it is steep up here, so what I like to do is sit the nails right there. Okay, now I'm working to the next one. Okay. Okay, and we should be good there. Just trying to pull that up. Sometimes you gotta push the shingle down to get the nail. Still haven't lifted it more than 45 degrees. Okay. Just making sure. Okay. And really, you know, if one's worse than the others, it could be on me, but really we're just looking at it as everything gonna do it. Okay, really lifting it so I can do that. Yeah, all the granules are just coming loose on this. Yeah, sometimes I gotta push the shingle down. There we go. I'm trying not to. Okay. Alrighty. Oh, and then barely lifting that. Go ahead. Okay. Got that, pushing it down. There we go. If I can get that out. Okie dokie. Alrighty, so at this point, all 4 nails should be out in the bottom row. Now, I'm trying to keep my camera angle good. Yep, we're good. All right, so now I just have to get the top nails out because it nails through the top sheet of the bottom of the shingle. Oh yeah, that's where it. So I'm pulling that one out. Real gentle. Okay. And then there should be another one right there. Oh yeah, just blowing them granules out. There we go. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead, put my trusty roof snake. Oh, that's crunchy like a Taco Bell, like a Crunchwrap Supreme over there. All right, pulling that one out. Okay, there should be just one more. Should be right there. I think it is one more. Could be 2. Yeah. So basically, what I'm trying to do is fish it out. There we go. Alrighty, so now that all of those nails are out, or they should be. There may be one more. Nope, we are out. All right, so now I have successfully removed said shingle. I have brand new shingle right here. I'm gonna put that there. Okay, my ankles are killing me. Yeah, it's one thing to walk a roof, it's another thing to repair it. Okay. All right, we have slid it under, and now, and you can tell, you know, this one, I think I lifted it like this, but you know, not as bad as this one or this one. Honestly, even the ones above it, I barely touched those. So now we're gonna go ahead and put those back in so we can get them sealed up. Just that one shingle damaged probably 2 or 3 full tabs, a total of 7 tabs. So let me go ahead. Okay. All right, that one is in. I'm gonna go ahead and put this one right here. Perfect, that one is in. Try not to step on, but you know, you're gonna on the, okay. Okay, that one's in. Okay, dokie. Okay, that's in. Now I just got the 4 top nails, just gotta align them back up with the holes. Okay. Okay, that one's in. Hope you guys can see everything. Whoever's out there. All right, nail in there. Just gotta find the next hole. Okay, that one's down. I think I got one more after that. Okay. Just got one more nail. I got one more nail. Okie dokie. Okay. One more nail. It is hot out here. All right, so based on that, the repair is now complete. I don't think I have to really say much, but you can see creasing, and this is probably like the lightest one because it only really had like one nail over here. But yeah, you got this one, this one, this one, this one. You know, it goes all the way to here. I mean, you got it. Every shingle that I touched did that. And you know, even if I go like super ultra duper careful, there's no way out of 7 that I'm not going to have one going all the way up, especially when we have wind damage down there, on the other side down there, pretty much on every slope. So thank you.